Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In today I'm going to show you how to put your page numbers in your documents or in your pages in Adobe InDesign. So now you will need to open your InDesign software and follow the simple steps. Basically, to add page numbers in Adobe InDesign, we will need to create a special character. So the first thing that we will need to do is to add a text box and go here, and now we are going to start a special character, and so we are going to uh, the type menu or the type tab, and here we are going to search for insert special character, and here markers, and simply you are just going to click on current page number. As you can see, my number page is 1, so I have here my page number. Basically, now you will need to go to the properties and add all the formatting that you want, like having another font, other size. I made it too big, so let's just make it a little bit big like this. So basically now we have our page number, but this is not very practical if you have like multiple number of pages. So you won't just go into page by page and start adding their number. Basically there is another way which is easier. It is by going and adding editing the master page. So as you can see, all my 3 pages are a master applied, and as you can see here, I have an a master page here in my document. So basically I will need to create or to edit my master page, so I will have all the pages that are related to my master page will have the same editing. So basically I will do the same method that I have showed you, and it will be only in the master page. So basically we are going to add text box like here, and then I'm going to type insert special character, markers, current page number, and basically we will need to do the same, copy and paste to the other master page. So I have 2 master pages, and I will have it, for example, here for our spreads. Also, you can add formattings like we did previously. So I'm going to add, for example, the size, adding the alignment of our page. You can have an alignment, for example, centered, and do whatever you want with all other things. You can also add some markers like some type like this, add in the stroke, give it a color, give it like some width. You can decorate your page. And if you go to your pages here in your document, you will have your pages that will take the same customization that you did in the A master page. So this is the first page, the second one, and this is the third one. So basically they will be taken like the number pages automatically without you needing you to put in them or insert them one by one. So basically this is how you can add page numbers in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.